Hi, I'm excited to share with you our new course, Generative AI for Everyone. You've likely heard of ChatGPT and perhaps other generative AI tools like Google Bard, Microsoft Bing Chat, and perhaps Midjourney. Generative AI, that is, technology that can generate high-quality text, images, or other types of media, is taking the world by storm. How can you use generative AI yourself, and how is this technology going to affect jobs and businesses? After going through this course, you understand how generative AI works, what it can and cannot do, and be able to use it effectively yourself, whether for work or for fun. Through this course, I hope you'll be in the driver's seat as you navigate the transformation that this technology brings to jobs and businesses. This course is designed to be accessible to a non-technical audience and doesn't require any coding skills or prior knowledge of AI, because chat and text generation models are having a bigger impact than image generation. We'll spend much more time on text generation technology that will touch briefly on image generation as well. Whether you're just curious about generative AI or a professional wondering how to use it and how it might affect your work, or maybe in business or government wanting to figure out what new opportunities as well as risks generative AI creates, I'm confident you find this course useful. So I hope you sign up to get started and that you enjoy the course.